Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your account password on the Gemini Crypto Exchange platform. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gemini application on your smartphone. And once you have logged in, you will end up within the homepage. Now tap on the profile icon at the top left corner and then tap on Security Settings. Now within the login info, you will now see the password option. Tap on the edit button alongside it. And now you will need to enter your current password followed by your desired new password. Type in the password that you have set while creating your account. And after you have typed in your new password, tap on the update button. After this, your password will successfully be updated. And you can now use this new password to log into your account in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your account password on the Gemini Crypto Exchange app. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.